Welcome to Christian Ethics. My name is Andrew, and I'm going to be the instructor for this course. Our course is totally online, and there's a lot of really good stuff about that. But one of the things we do miss out on is the face-to-face interaction. So I want to post this quick introductory video to the course just so you can put a face with a name for all the things that are coming in the next few weeks. I am very excited about the content of this course because it is so challenging and because it can make us think so critically about things we've been thinking about our whole lives. Big questions like, what makes a thing right or wrong? Is there even such a thing as right or wrong to begin with? And if there is, how can we know for sure what is right or wrong? And these kinds of questions lie at the very bottom of the nature of ethics. So anytime you're having a conversation about what makes a thing right or wrong, you're going to wind up in the territory that we're going to end up in this semester. We're going to spend our time in this course by taking a look at several different views of ethics. We're going to specifically focus on the Christian perspective. And whether or not you buy into that Christian view of ethics, my goal for this course is for you to think more deeply and more critically about how you determine whether a thing is morally right or wrong. And that can be a lot of fun. It can be also pretty challenging in some ways. So as we go through this course, you're going to have the chance to give us your opinion and the discussion boards, and I'm looking forward to reading those. But I do ask that as we do these discussion boards, obviously we stay civil. Some of this stuff is going to be some issues that carry a lot of emotion with them. So we're going to make sure that we be respectful. I have more to say about that in the syllabus video. But this class should be a good one for all of us, certainly with the subject matter. And you're not going to be graded based on whether or not you buy into the Christian worldview. You're not going to be graded on whether or not you accept Christian ethics. I love these Faulkner Bible classes because they give us a chance to kind of take a step back and evaluate it for what it is. And so many times we talk about these kinds of issues. We're usually interested in persuading people to accept our view of things, but a great thing about being in the classroom like this is it kind of takes some of that pressure off, and we can just take a step back and look at, okay, well, what does this say about this issue? Not whether or not this is the one way to think about it. We can just simply ask, what does this book have to say? Now, I say all that not to dissuade anybody from listening to the Christian arguments, but just to let everybody know that we can take some of that pressure off of, oh my goodness, I have to adopt these things or I'm going to fail this class. No, we want to evaluate what the scriptures have to say about morality and ethics. And we'll also compare that against other views of morality and ethics. And then you guys, just like you would expect, will all be making our own decisions about which view of ethics and morality is the most sensible, or maybe is the most productive, or I guess depending on your view of what makes a thing right or wrong, which one is the most right. So I'm looking forward to getting into this stuff with you. If you got any questions, feel free to send me an email, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. But I am looking forward to going over this content with you for the next few weeks. Thank you.